I'm Nancy Miller, and I'm a territory manager here at Merrill Manufacturing. The most common question I get about hydrants is, why is my hydrant freezing during the winter months? A hydrant can freeze in the winter months if the plunger is out of adjustment. This means that the plunger is up too high in the valve body and it stops the water from draining down and out of the hole in the valve body. To determine if a hydrant is working properly, you can take a cup of water, put it up against the spout, pull down on the handle to shut it off. If the water drains, siphons back completely, it's working properly. If you still have water left in the cup after the hydrant is off, that means you either need to adjust or possibly replace the plunger in the valve body. To get the instructions for how to do either one of those steps, go to our website, merrillmfg.com. Go to resources, guides, videos, and you'll see the videos that give you step-by-step instructions on how to either adjust or replace the plunger.